Hey everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can log into Walden University. Walden University is an online for-profit university. It offers Bachelor of Science, Master of Science, Master of Business Administration, and much more. If you aren't subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and never miss another update from us. To log into Walden University, go to your web browser and search for Walden University Login. From the search results, click on My Walden Student Portal. Click on the Login button on the next page. This is your sign-in page. Enter your Walden email address on the first row. Next, enter the password to your account. After you've entered your information correct, click on the Sign-in button. After doing so, you'll be logged into Walden University. If you are having trouble signing in, you can click on these links right here. If you don't remember your password, click on Go to Password Reset and you'll have an option to reset your password and get a new one. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If so, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions. I'll be back with more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.